The very first miracle of Jesus, as indicated in the book of John, chapter 2, verses 11 to 22, claims that Jesus turned water into wine. But in this video, I show you in 3 minutes how your blood circulation system is doing the same thing every passing moment. Let me quickly show you what's going on in your breathing and blood circulation. Blood is constantly circulating throughout your body. It helps to transport oxygen and nutrients to different parts of your body and also gets rid of carbon dioxide and other waste substances that your body doesn't need. Let's quickly examine what is happening in the pulmonary circulation, because this is where the miracle is taking place in you. In human anatomy, blood that doesn't have enough oxygen is depicted as blue, while blood that does have enough oxygen is depicted as red. These colors mean something and stand for something. Let's fact check these colors. Do you know that the color blue has always stood as the symbol of water? And did you know wine is red? To figure out what the allegory means, let's compare and contrast these symbols in a clear way. First of all, if the color blue represents deoxygenated blood in the pulmonary arteries, and the same blue represents water, let's swap between deoxygenated blood in the pulmonary arteries and blue as the symbol of water, such that deoxygenated blood in the pulmonary arteries should be called water. Secondly, if the color red represents oxygenated blood in the pulmonary veins and the same red color represents wine, let's swap oxygenated blood in the pulmonary veins for red wine, such that oxygenated blood in the pulmonary veins is now called red wine. Let's call the blood in the pulmonary arteries water, and the blood in the pulmonary veins wine. Breathing is the only way for our bodies and all of their organs to take in oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide and other waste. Oxygen is the most essential thing our bodies need. In the lungs, blood is always moving around the walls of the alveoli, which looks like a bunch of grapes that are used for the production of wine. So, as the blood flows through the alveolar walls, carbon dioxide from the red blood cells leaves through tiny airways in the alveoli walls when you breathe out. At the same time, oxygen enters the bloodstream when you breathe in, as carbon dioxide is moving out and oxygen is coming in. Notice how the color is changing from bluish purple to bright red. This is the equivalent of water to wine. So, whenever you take a deep breath, think of the miracle of water into wine taking place in you, and not in Galilee as a place. This brings us to the end of this episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell icon so you can get a notification once we post a new video. Please also like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.